All right, class, this is mainly for the tennis students that are going to be gone, but these are the examples we went over in class, and hopefully, if you are struggling, that you're able to find this video, and hopefully it helped you out. Okay, so first thing we need to figure out before we get to example 1 is what is a coterminal, angle. Easy answer, you add or subtract 2 pi, or you add or subtract 360 degrees. So coterminal means that two angles are 360 degrees apart in degrees, or 2 pi apart if they're in radians, because 2 pi and 360 mean the exact same thing in a circle. One is radians, top one is radians here, and the bottom one is degrees. So let's look at example 1. Example 1, they give us 13 pi over 6, and we're supposed to find a coterminal angle. Okay, well, just like I said, coterminal angles are 360 degrees apart, or 2 pi. This is in radians because there's a pi symbol here, and there is no degree symbol. If it had a degree symbol, then we'd know it was in degrees, but there is no degree symbol, so it's in radians. So we're going to subtract 2 pi. We could add 2 pi, or we can subtract 2 pi. The book uses to subtract 2 pi, so we'll go along with that for this problem, for this example. Okay, so now we have a fraction minus 2 pi. In order to do this math, we need to get a common denominator. Okay, the common denominator would be 6. So I multiplied this fraction on the right by 6 over 6, which means I'm going to have to turn this 2 into a 12. Okay, because 6 over 6 times 2 pi becomes 12 pi over 6. And now we just do the math. 13 pi minus 12 pi, that's just pi over 6. So part A, a coterminal angle for this angle is pi over 6. Now we also could have added 2 pi, and we would have gotten a coterminal angle. So there's many answers you could have for this, because after we get pi over 6, we could subtract 2 pi again and get another coterminal angle, and then another coterminal angle. Okay, so this is part A. Part B. Part B says we have a positive angle, 3 pi over 4. Again, we will subtract 2 pi. Again, we need to get a common denominator. Change colors to show that. Put a 4 on the bottom, turn this to an 8. 3 pi minus 8 pi, negative 5 pi over 4. So coterminal angles can be positive, like this one was, or they can be negative, like this one is. Okay, I don't think I need to do number C. Hopefully you can look at number C and see how they did it. Okay, this video is on page 282, example 1. I'll put another video on here, page 283, example 2. All right, thanks for listening.